it's your girl Shine. Today I'm back in that video, y'all. Today is the 4th of July. Happy 4th of July to y'all out there. Y'all, this video not even gonna be out by today, because it's not letting me post on YouTube for some reason. Because I guess that monkey part 2 video, I don't know what's going on, but I'm still gonna post the birthday vlog if you let me post on YouTube. If you don't, I'm sorry, y'all. It's not my fault, I promise. But y'all, check out my outfit. Y'all want to see my outfit? The tank top, the little shorts. It's cute, y'all. It's just something. But yeah, y'all, when we get ready to do something, I'ma get back to y'all. Stay tuned. Y'all, we just how you gonna get ran over? We on the side.
Give me your hand. You short.
My side. Y'all, so I've been back home. I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. I don't know when this vlog gonna go out, y'all, but it was a short video, y'all, because I really didn't do that today. It was raining and stuff, but I hope y'all had a good 4th of July. And I don't know when this video gonna get posted, but stay tuned. More videos gonna be coming.